crew died on board of MOL ship carrier inhaling toxic cargo fumes. 2 crew, both of Myanmar nationality, died after inhaling toxic fumes from cargo hold of a wood ship carrier Green World, at Merak Port, Cilegon City, Java, Indonesia, Sunda Strait. The ship berthed in the morning February 1 with cargo of wooden chips or pulp. Deck crew opened hatch of one hold, and lost consciousness, at around 05:00 OLT. They died either on board or in the hospital. Investigation launched. Wood ships carrier Green World, IMO 9,134,177, DWT 49,673, built 1996, flag Panama, manager MOL, EQUASIS.